Kristen Cole with the Kristen Cole Real Estate Network, and we are so excited to present to you the 66 Days to KCN, a growth challenge to break your way into real estate.
Starting a real estate business is not easy. In fact, it's very difficult. There's a ton of new information, and it's not always obvious where to get started or what to do next. Can you relate to this feeling?
I'd been struggling, just trying to make ends meet, trying to make everything work so that we could be successful for my family and, live a life by design.
The mission of the 66 Days to KCN is to enhance your perspective, alter your habits, and enable your action. Our vision is to engage you in a community of people that work together, support each other, and embrace both the struggles and the victories throughout their real estate career. We believe in empowering agents just like you to grow to your potential, such that you can live a fulfilling life by your own design.
This course is structured to give you only the most important information, delivered in bite-sized chunks with sequentially ordered action items to keep you on track. So how does it work? You simply use the sign-up link and create your username and password. Soon, you'll receive a welcome message and email that gives you access to your online portal. On Monday morning and every weekday thereafter, you'll receive one new video message. You simply watch the message, then execute the tasks. When executed with integrity, this course will challenge you. It will force you outside of your comfort zone, which will inevitably lead to your growth, both personally and professionally. We believe that growth is the cornerstone of fulfillment.
You and I don't know each other yet, but we share some common beliefs. We both believe that real estate, in one way or another, is where we will find success. And because you're watching this message, I believe that you want to grow, that you want to reach your potential, and that you want to feel fulfilled. I believe that 66 Days to KCN can be the beginning of that journey.
At the end of this challenge, you'll be more educated, more experienced, and more confident, enabling you to effectively guide your clients through the largest financial decisions of their life.
Because it was so necessary at that point in my life that I was like, I will do whatever I have to do to succeed. And by doing what they told me to do and being engaged and being held accountable at a high level has completely changed my business.
And plug into that system right away. Don't look to create the wheel a different way. Plug into the systems. Within the first 3 months is when you start seeing the activity and start seeing the rewards start taking place.
So I ask you, are you ready to grow? Are you ready to step outside your comfort zone, take life by the reins, and start building? If the answer is yes, then the next 66 days awaits you now.